Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to fix a cracked popcorn ceiling. In this video, I'll be going over the basic steps for fixing a cracked popcorn ceiling, just like this one right here. As you can see, I have this popcorn ceiling right here, and this is ever so slightly cracked. Now this method will work for tiny little hairline cracks, just like this one. It's really, really small, barely noticeable, but I really want to fix it. And it'll also work for ones that are a little bit bigger than this one right here, than this size right here. It's very simple. All that you need is some caulking, and you're going to need your fingertip. Really easy fix. Now, I do have to say this, some popcorn ceilings have been known to contain asbestos. So obviously, I do recommend you have yours tested and see if it contains asbestos before you make a decision on whether or not you want to fix it, okay? If you're probably better off leaving it alone if it has anything that you're worried about. I did get the popcorn ceilings here tested, and they don't contain asbestos, so I feel comfortable doing this repair. But use your own judgment. I'm just giving you a little bit of a fair warning that some popcorn ceilings are known to contain asbestos, so you can make your own decision. Okay, very simple. I'm just giving you a warning to get it tested. I just have some brilliant white caulking right here, and what you want to do is you want to just apply a little bit of the caulking. You're going to squeeze it out just a little bit on the crack. Now you really want to just like as little as possible. So look at how little I put right there, okay? And I just hold the caulking tube in my other hand, and you just want to take your finger and you're just gonna rub it right along the crack like that. Just like that. And as you can see, just as you can see right there, I have virtually covered up the crack in the popcorn ceiling. Okay, now yes, it goes further and I can continue fixing it, so we can do that now. I just wanna hide it. Like the thinner the layer of caulking that you can use, the better. So just take your finger and just simply rub it right along that crack in the popcorn ceiling, and as you can see, the crack is gone. It disappeared. It's that easy, and that's up close. I mean, when you go down here, I'm like standing about 7 feet in the air on an 8-foot ceiling. So right now, if you're on the floor, you won't be able to see anything, okay? Really easy. Now, I will also say this. Sometimes cracks in popcorn ceilings are caused because of the type of paint that you used. So if you recently painted your ceiling, your popcorn ceiling, and it ended up cracking, which happened to me in a different room, this method can be used to repair those cracks, but the caulking that you use will probably not be as white as the paint on your ceiling. So you just have to remember that wherever you do this, you want it to be as little as possible, because the caulking, when it dries, will probably be ever so slightly yellowed compared to the whiteness of the ceiling. So the smaller the area that you can use it in, the better. But that's it. That is how to fix a cracked popcorn ceiling. It's actually a really easy method. I've used this many times. In addition, if you have like cracks that are like more significant, if you put a little bit of the caulking sort of like as almost to act as glue between the popcorn and the drywall behind it, because there should be drywall behind, or I should say on top of the popcorn on the ceiling, you can put a little bit of caulking, use it as glue, and then use caulking to sort of seal up the crack. It'll do a good job. It should do a good job, at least in my experience, at sort of keeping that crack contained and preventing it from cracking any further. But that's it. It's actually a really easy and simple method for fixing a cracked popcorn ceiling. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.